Not all snoring is normal. In some people, it is actually a serious health condition known as sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is when you stop breathing repeatedly and start breathing again while you sleep. This can lead to shortage of oxygen to the brain and make you to feel tired when you wake up. Even after a full night's sleep, you still feel tired. This is as a result of those cycles when your body stop breathing and start breathing repeatedly. That tiredness you feel is as a result of reduced oxygen to the brain, and this leads to muscle tension and tiredness when you wake up. Here is how to know if your snoring is bad. The first thing is that you snore very, very loud and almost every night. Almost every night you snore. In some people, they snore when they are tired, when they are extremely stressed, but in some people, it goes on almost all the time. That can be a danger sign. You need to get evaluated by your doctor. Another sign is gasping and choking while sleeping. If you are sleeping, you feel as if something is pressing you down while you sleep. That is a danger sign, and it is a sign of sleep apnea. Another sign of sleep apnea is waking up with dry mouth and extreme headache. In some people, they seems to wake up suddenly, and when they wake up, they feel headache, a very, very pounding headache, and even dry mouth when they wake up. This can be a sign of sleep apnea. Feeling extreme tired during the day is another sign of sleep apnea. Even though that you slept all through the night, you were not stressed, and you wake up tired all through the day, it can be a sign that something is going on in the body. Another sign is difficulty in concentrating. If you have been experiencing other signs that I've mentioned and you notice that you have this sleep apnea, what causes this difficulty in concentration is due to lack of proper oxygen to the brain, causes this difficulty in concentration and also mood swings. So sleep apnea is not just about poor sleep. It can be a sign that some other conditions are developing in the body. Over time, you might experience high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, stroke, and even sudden death while you sleep. So